particulars are that Seremba Godfrey and Masigazi Deogracius, between February and June 2022, while performing your duties as accounting officer and head of department, pacification and development program respectively, in the office of the Prime Minister, you approved a total of cash payment of Uganda shillings 4,497,132,000 to various staff within office of Prime Minister without any proper work plan, nor genuine activity to be carried out, knowing or having reason to believe that your acts will cause financial loss, and indeed caused financial loss of 3,347,491,000 to your employer. So in absence of A1, Mr. Masigazi Deogracius as A2, have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have to say as an answer to these allegations? So a plea of not guilty is entered against A2, Mr. Masigazi Deogracius, in respect of count number 1, which is the charge of causing financial loss allegedly jointly committed with one Seremba Geoffrey, who is not present. You, Abaho Joshua, between February and June 2022, while employed as a senior assistant secretary, office of the Prime Minister, you stole Uganda shillings 2,473,154,000 advanced to you for coordinating various peace building initiatives in Karamoja region, to which you had access by virtue of your office. Mr. Abaho, have you heard? What do you have to say as an answer to these allegations?
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.